Laying down on the job, bro? Huh? All right. Here's Hubs and the track loader.
Okay, so we are in the track loader, a John Deere 325G, and we are about to ride down the fence line that we're about to move to get an idea how much fence line we have to move. But I also need the track loader up at the top so I can cut some like flat little terraces. And yeah, so we need the track loader up here, but I wanted to ride around anyway, just to get an idea of the fence line we have to move.
Fence number 1. So he's going down a different trail. End of fence number 1, start of fence number 2. This is where he's got to go another way. Hopefully I don't trip and fall while I'm filming.
There's my beautiful wife. Hello. Gonna make me crash, she's so sexy. Oh! Yeah, it's hard to work. That distraction all day. You know what I'm saying, fellas. Oh my goodness. She's gonna get mad I said that. Don't tell her. Let's see, I can't make it all the way, but I will turn what you see. Keeps going. We're gonna catch up to it down at the bottom. We can go around this way and see a little bit better. Not really. This is where I stopped feeling it. So I'm gonna come around. I forget how stable this is. So I start to pucker like I would if I was on the tractor, but then this thing is so stable. I'm trying to smush this little section down. Alright, here we are, corner of the fence line. I go slow. It stays a little mushy, but there's a little bow with it. I try to straddle these rocks, scrape them a little. better. Alright.
There's Hubby. He's so cute. Okay. So there's 5. This is another greenhouse frame with a bunch of pallets in it. Okay. Here's number 5. Okay, so we have 5 fencings over here, 2 more on our back porch, like our other back porch. So that's gonna be 7. So 7, 8, 9, 1,050 feet-ish is what we're gonna be looking at. And that's it. There's Hubs coming up the driveway.
Oh, I can just watch her walk.